If President Trump is looking to get an able person to assist him in stopping the war in the Ukraine, he couldn't carry a better person than Healy Raes with him, because his negotiating skills over the last number of weeks are second to none. It's fair to say that there is an arrangement in place where there will be a role at a department, at a Minister of State level for the Healy Raes, and it's fair to say that that role will be going in my direction. But as for what that's going to be, that is obviously at the direction of the incoming Taoiseach.
A lot of people need us to get in there and to be closer to government so that they listen to us, because the nonsense that went on in the last government, we won't talk much about it, but we want to get rid of that kind of stuff and deal with the basics and the common sense things that people want to get sorted out.
We are ensuring that government are taking on board the issues and the concerns that are in County Kerry. And of course, remember, if they're in County Kerry, they're reflected throughout the rest of the country. We're going to use our position now, the two of us, in supporting the government and in supporting Kerry in what I would like to call a better and stronger way than what we might have been able to do in the past.